Hey everybody, I thought I'd go ahead and do a little fun one this time around, and that is drawing the Wile E Coyote. So this is one of my favorite characters growing up as a kid. Absolutely love drawing the Coyote, and I thought I'd just go ahead and start off by showing you a couple of ways that you can approach this character. So I'm going to start with a 3/4 front view. I'm going to start off with an oval and create a couple of his cheeks. This vertical axis line is meant to just kind of give me what the center of this particular oval will look like. And that allows me to place things like the eyes, and it allows me to know where the nose is going to start out from. And I start out by working through the construction first, and then I follow it up with details. So let's just shrink him down a little bit. And these ears are going to interconnect with the sphere. And we have some overlap going on. We'll open the mouth. And then we'll just add a neck so we don't have a floating head. So this is my roughs. Now let's go back through and let's clean it up. So I like to ink in black. This is where I get to add those fun details. And growing up as a kid, this used to be one of my favorite cartoons. Out of the entire Warner Brothers staple, and I've watched so many Warner Brothers cartoons, this was the one that actually got my motor going. I would sit there with a sketchbook, crayons, and I would just attempt to try to draw both the Coyote and the Roadrunner. I was obsessed with these characters. I think it's because of the fact that the Roadrunner was a very fast character. I always wanted the Coyote to catch the Roadrunner, and kept on waiting for that moment to happen as a little kid. And of course it never did, but that's alright. So let's now hide this. Let's go ahead and flesh out those pupils. Let's throw a little hint of a tongue. And there we go, we've got the Coyote. Now let's go ahead and add some digital tricks to color this guy in. So I'm going to make sure that I don't have any gaps. I like putting a few little dots here and there. Just kind of looks cool, I think. So let's just check to make sure we don't have any gaps. I'm doing my magic wand selection around the figure. I'll hit Shift Command I to inverse the selection. Make a new layer. I'll fill it with a base color. And then I can use that technique with the magic wand tool to take the base color layer, hit Command J, Command U, and I can dial in the values now. You can go back to the swatches panel and you can pick stuff from the swatches panel, but I like to do it this way. It's just a lot faster. Command J, Command U. If I want to get white, just drag the slider for the brightness all the way up. So I'll do that for the pupils and the teeth here. Go back to the base layer, Command J, Command U. This area right here is going to be pink. And I can see that I didn't close a gap here, so I'll just use my lasso tool to approximate that. Command J. Base color, Command J. And so now I've got the Coyote. So I hope you found this video to be informative, something fun, something different. One of my favorite characters to draw. Thank you for indulging me. I'll see you in the next video.